Good day everyone, thinking about connecting your Pioneer XDJ RX3 to your laptop? Whether you're spinning in Rekordbox or using it as a controller, this tutorial will walk you through the steps. So friends, firstly you will need to install the drivers. You need to go to the official website, which is rekordbox.com, and download the latest version. Also install the Pioneer XDJ RX3 driver from Pioneer's official website under the RX3 support page. This ensures stable connection and audio routing. After that, use the USB-B port on the rear of the box. Plug it into your laptop using the USB cable. Once connected, turn on the controller. On the RX3 screen, choose controller mode instead of standalone or expert mode. Choose controller mode instead of standalone or export mode. This allows the laptop to control decks through Rekordbox. After that, open Rekordbox on your laptop. It should automatically detect the RX3. You'll see deck control pop up if it's working correctly. And that's it. Drag tracks from Rekordbox into deck 1 or 2 and start mixing. You are now ready to mix live with your Pioneer XDJ RX3 and laptop. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more DJ gear tips and tutorials. Stay in the mix.